Good day again, all God's children. Pastor Anita from Jesus' Techie Ministry. And today I want to tell you that if eternity is the plan, then it makes no sense to shrink your living down to the needs and wants of this little moment. Think about it. If God has already granted you a place in eternity, then He has also granted you all the grace you need along the way, or you'd never get there. There is grace for our fickle and easily distracted hearts. There is rescue for our self absorption and lack of focus. The God of eternity grants you His eternal grace so that you can live with eternity in view. Amen. And for further study, you can go read Luke 12, verse 13 to 21. God bless you all. Bye bye.